Want to earn real cash playing games on your phone? In this video, we will explore a free platform where you earn real money by completing offers, playing games, and trying apps. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's get started. Meet Wicto. Earn anywhere, cash out anytime. Real cash payouts. Get paid to play games, try apps, complete offers. 12,480 plus members earned a payout this week. Start free in minutes and turn free time into real rewards. Here's how it works. Fast offers, clear steps, real payouts. Open Discover to see games and offers with clear payout amounts. Tap an offer to reveal step-by-step requirements and earnings. Complete the required steps and watch the reward hit your wallet. Most offers are simple. Install, reach a level, or play for time. You can stack offers across games to maximize your earnings. Cash out options include PayPal or direct bank transfer. Go to Wallet, choose Cash Out, pick PayPal or bank transfer. Enter your PayPal email or bank details, confirm and submit the request. Payouts show in your account. Many users cash out the same day. Fast cuts, clear payouts, simple steps, that's how Wicto works. Ready to earn? Download Wicto and turn playtime into cash. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.